Hi guys, I will tell you frozen shoulder versus shoulder stiffness. Stiff shoulder, you can see two pictures. One is frozen shoulders or adhesive capsulitis. This is just a stiff shoulder. You can see this synovitis kind of. This is a thick capsule but no synovitis. Frozen shoulder is a really painful. Patient said to you, please cure me like that. A stiff shoulder is less painful or little pain. For the short duration, several weeks or several months. Stiff, long-lasting, or several years. 3 amps novel injection can improve motion and pain, but stiff shoulder, they are less effective. Manual manipulation can be effective for dramatic improvement of pain, but can be dangerous, increase risk of fracture. It can get better and better over several months or years, but usually it does not get improvement. Causes: non-specific trauma, diabetes, or other disease. This is long-lasting adhesive capsulitis or previous fractures around the shoulder, implant, and etc. Treatment: conservative or operation. Treatment: conservative or observation or operation. But I want to tell you, you might try manipulation, but stiff shoulder, do not try to manipulation, because stiff shoulder, if you try to manipulation therapy, increase risk of fracture. Thank you.